Hello guys, how are you? And today we are going to learn about antivirus profile, how we can configure it, and how we can test it. Let's start. So I have one machine here. This is my test machine, and this is the testing site which I'm using. So if you see right now here is if I try to download this virus profile, so as soon as I click in here, it allows me to run it here, right? So that means is any Palo Alto is not blocking anything right now. This device is behind the firewall, this machine. So let me show you this. I click on click. So if you see here, its default gateway is 3.10, and if I show you the configuration of Palo Alto, so 3.10 is my Palo Alto IP address. So if I do the trace to the Google trace, um, 4.2.2.2. So if you see here, first row is my firewall and second is my router, and then it is going outside of the network. Okay, so now we understand this device is behind the firewall and it is not blocking anything. If I show you the policies here, so in policies everything is permitted right now. If you see here, so source, destination user name, outside, no IP address, application name, service section, usage, everything is allowed. So now let's configure one antivirus profile here and let's see how that works. So click on add here by going to the object tab. Inside object you see the security profile and check this antivirus. Once you click on antivirus, you will see the add button here. Click on add button and create one profile, AV profile. So this is our AV profile. If you want to put any virus exception, you can add it here. And if you want to put the exception for any application, you can add that application here. And if you want to do the packet capture, you can select that part. So if you see here, SMTP, SMD, POP3, IMAP, S3, HTTP2, HTTP, FTP. So these are the applications which are being investigated by our antivirus profile, and the action is default. We have other options too if you want to permit them: allow, alert, drop, reset client, reset server, reset port. So we have all these settings available here. So let's keep it default so that we could see. Uh, I mean, we can change the settings, but let's keep it default for now. Now by going to the policy, select the policy, and the name is wrong. Give the policy. And by going to the action, so everything is allowed in here. If you see here, source, destination, every application, service, in action, it is allowed. We are going to add that profile here. So by selecting the profile, so we have a AV profile, select it and click OK and commit the change. So once you commit the change, let's see what behavior change we see here. So this is the website. I tried downloading this ecr.com, this plain text, this plain ecar.com file can be used to test your configuration. It should define to be detect by every virus scanner. So pretty much explanatory. So you can see it here. So what we are going to do is once the commit will be done, we will try to download it again and we'll see how this works. So commit is done now. Let's try to download it. So if you see here, so it is being blocked under the file name is zika.com. Download of virus spyware has been blocked in accordance with the company policy. Please contact the system administrator if you believe this is an error. So this is how we can configure the antivirus profile on Palo Alto device. Hope you understand it, and thank you.